Welcome to Discrimination Education Part 4. Again, we're talking about discrimination in the workplace. I wanted to talk to you about your rights, okay, because you have the right to be represented either by an attorney or by someone who you feel like is knowledgeable in the administrative process at the EEOC. It's best not to go at it alone. It's helpful if you have someone who is familiar with the EEOC's rules, procedures, because there are timelines, deadlines on certain information that you can present, certain information, evidence that you can use, and how to go about doing all of that. Most of that information is found on the EEOC's website. I have about 400 pages of EEOC documents that I have saved as a PDF file for my resources in helping people to prevail in their charge of discrimination through the administrative process. You have the right to rebut the position statement that's presented by your employer, who is referred to as the respondent. And so being able to take advantage of that is critical. You also have the right to an appeal. If for some reason you feel like throughout the EEOC process that you that your case wasn't given the due diligence that it should have been given, or if there are certain facts that weren't taken into consideration in your complaint, and you have the right to appeal, and you have to know how do you appeal, when do you appeal, what do you make the basis of that appeal, and so because you have to have a legal reason for your appeal, a very sound reason for that. Now, having said all of that, like I said, you want to have someone who's a professional who can advocate on your behalf. Sometimes that can be an attorney, but it doesn't have to be. And so in my next video, I'm going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of an attorney. Now, if you liked this video, I'm asking you to like it and share it, and please subscribe. In part 5, we're going to talk about attorneys, advantages and disadvantages. My contact information can be found in the description. See you in part 5.